So once upon a time, there was this, and then there was this, and now we have this. And best of all, it's got wireless charging. Yeah, this is really cool. One sec. All right, so let's get the formalities out of the way so we can get to this cool product. Welcome to my channel where I review stuff. If you're new here, make sure you click that. You guys are honestly the ones that are making this channel grow and making me feel like a real YouTuber. I'm a real boy. And also, if you want to help out this channel, time chapters are down below in case you need to skip ahead, and all the links are in the description, plus a surprise link. So ULanzi, ever heard of them? They're coming up with really creative ideas for products, and they're making them and sending them to me to review, and I'm loving it. All right, check this out. This is called the URig wireless fast charging handheld vlogging cage. Did you hear that? I said fast wireless charging. Why in the world would someone need fast wireless charging? Well, guess what? I have an answer for that. But first, let's just see what's in the box. In case you forgot what was in here, it's a smartphone video rig. Well done. First thoughts, it feels really comfortable in your hands. It's very lightweight and thin. The design is awesome. This red line around it, really pleasing to look at. It's got 3 cold shoe mounts on the top. It's got a standard screw thread at the bottom, a strap and a bar to attach that strap. That way you can put it on your wrist and you don't have to worry about, dropping it in the ocean or something. It has a little door here so that you can connect to your wires. And it's got spring action, so it's really easy just to put your phone in it. Like that. That's so easy. But its main feature is it has 15 watt max flash wireless charging. Now you might be thinking, that's cool, but why is that important? Well, these days, most phones only have one port. And if you want to connect an external microphone to it, well, that's all you got. So you can't charge your phone while using an external microphone at the same time. We'll put our microphone right here. By the way, great microphone review is up there. You lift up the slot, you plug your phone in for the microphone, and then you just plug into the USB-C port and it's charging. This actually makes it really valuable. I've been in situations in the past where my phone battery was dying, but I also wanted to keep the microphone plugged in, like on a live stream, walking around a cruise ship. This would have been great to have, not only because you can hold it, it's nice and steady, but my favorite part right here, but you're also charging it and you have a decent microphone as well. Now, when I first said this, you probably thought, oh, the charger's built inside, but for this product, this is just the middleman between your charger and your phone. And that's where this bad boy comes in handy. It's called a handy grip. I've done reviews on this before. This is a great product from ULanzi as well, called the BG2. Pop it on there, so then you also have it as a grip like that, in case you don't want to hold it like that. Plug it in, and it's gonna be charging your phone all day. I mean, so throw that handy grip on there, get a Saren mic, add a light or two, and now you got a pretty sweet setup right there. If you're wanting to get into more mobile videography, and why shouldn't you? Like, basically phones nowadays are just as good as some of the bigger cameras out there, especially if you're just doing YouTube. And it does help a lot when you want to get more cinematic shots holding it in 2 hands instead of just the one where it's a little bit more shaky. Okay, so price. This is $120. Oh wait, that's the price for all of that stuff. The URig wireless fast charging cage is only $30. Seriously, $30? Wow, ULanzi, that is awesome. I've had other rigs in the past and they do different things, mainly collect dust. The ring light one, I did a review on that. This is pretty awesome as well. It has the lights built into it. The problem is you can't charge your phone while using a microphone. But if you're interested in this or know someone that might be, make sure you share this with them. Links are in the description. Buy it as a gift. What a great gift, actually. This would be an awesome gift. Funny story, I got a funny comment from GK Music that says, I've got a savings account, a home loan account, and a Danny Black gadget account. Remember, spend your money wisely. And if you have any questions, make sure you write them in the comments. I tried to get to all of them. If you do use my link in the description, it is an affiliate link. It does contribute financially to me, which is at no cost to you. It also helps ULanzi know that my videos are getting the word out on their products, which means they will send me more awesome stuff and I can just keep reviewing stuff all the time. All right, got to get to work on more videos coming up on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Tech is Hard podcast. We're doing some awesome giveaways, like big giveaways very soon. It's very fun. 2 guys just chatting about what goes on YouTube and, tech world. It's getting there. Also, music channel up there. Play some music. That's actually my real job. And yeah, check out that video. Actually, yeah, check out that video. All right, hope to see you guys in the next one.